In this demo, I'll quickly show you how to create a scatter plot in R. So for this demo, we'll use a sample dataset called cars, which comes with R by default. So it has two variables called speed and distance. So it's the amount of distance a vehicle took to stop while going at a particular speed. So we'll use a plotting function called plot, which comes from the base plotting system. It takes two parameters. It requires two parameters. One is the x coordinates, another one is the y coordinates. So we'll supply the x coordinates as the speed, and we'll supply the y coordinates as distance. So with just those two parameters, you can quickly create the plotting, the scatter plot here, as you can see. But you can change the type of the plot using as a parameter called type. By default, I mentioned it's going to be the points, so it's the same plot, but we can change it to the line. So, or we can have both line and points, so which will be B. And there are so many other ways, other types that are available. You can find more of that using the help. So you can see here, the histogram steps, and also, and you can leave the plot with not plotting anything, in case if you want to add more things to the plot by changing some basic parameters. So not just that, we can change, for example, the x-axis label, the y-axis label, and also the main title and the color and the plotting symbol. Many things can be customized. That's the advantage of using the base plotting system. So let's quickly add the x-axis label and y-axis label. And I mentioned we can also change the plotting character, so which is by a parameter called PCH. You can quickly find the help for, what are the different kinds of plotting characters available. You can see here there are 25 different plotting characters. Each has a number, and the different character that it presents in the graph. So let's say in our case we'll use the 19, which is a solid circle. So let's go ahead and type the or add the x-axis label and y-axis label. So which can be done using the parameter called xlab equal to, in our case it's going to be speed, and y-axis label, it's going to be distance, and the main title of this plot is going to be, it's a graph between speed and distance to stop, so we'll just type speed versus distance to stop, and we'll change the plotting character to 19, and we'll change the plotting character size to 1, and let's check, see how the plot looks. So we quickly added the labels, title, and we changed the size of the plot. We can also add the color to the plot by using the parameter called color. So we can quickly see how we can use, for example, the color. We can see the list of colors we have. So there are 657 different colors we have. You can find more information by looking into the colors help.